Hi everyone, this is Miss Farwa and welcome to my channel Learn to Teach. Today I have another simple and easy program on Scratch for grade 1 and 2s. They can make it easily because it is very few and very simple instructions or blocks that you have to use in order to make this program. So let's begin. I will quickly show you the output. What is your program actually going to do? So it will build up your interest. Now I'm going to press this green flag to see the output. I hope you understand. It's a simple cat moving on the street saying meow. It is saying meow as well as there is a speech bubble at the top of the cat that says it's written over there meow. Whatever the cat says, it's written on the speech bubble and the cat is moving slowly on the street as well. So let's begin with the project. Okay, so in order to do this, this is the whole program. I will be deleting it and making it again for you. So first of all, you need the cat to come here. Okay, I will delete the sprite and I will add it so that you can know how we can add the sprite. First, you have to go and choose a sprite. Then go down, go down, go down and select a cat. This is the same cat that we have used in the program. Now choose a backdrop. To choose a backdrop, you have lot of options here, but what I have chosen is a simple one, that's a wall one backdrop. It's your choice, whatever backdrop you want to choose, it will appear on the screen at the back. Now let's start our program. First, go to the motion block and use the first block over here. Move 10 steps. This command helps your cat to move forward. Now we see that the cat is taking steps. So how we can do that? If you go to the costume, you can see that this is cat A costume and this is cat B costume. So if we keep moving these costumes, it will look like that the cat is moving. To do this, what we can do, go to code, go to looks, and in the looks you have next costume. We will be using this command next. And now if you click on your program, see 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can see that the cat is taking steps when it is moving forward. It is all because of the next costume, because it changes the costume from A to B, B to A. So it looks like that the cat is moving. Now let's do one more thing. We will be doing it in a forever loop. Why? Because so that the cat will keep on walking and we are not supposed to stop the program, or we can only stop if we want the cat to stop. Otherwise it will keep on moving on a forever loop. Now what we can do, one of the important thing is go to the events and use this green flag clicked option, because this will help you to run the program when you press this green flag button. Now what else, the cat has to produce a sound meow. So go to the sound block. Here it is written start sound meow. You have to use this one here. And then let's see, there are there are some changes, but I want to help you to understand this one by one. So let's see what this program does. Oh my goodness. Do you see that the cat is moving so fast and the meow sound is not even clear? So in order to make it slow down, we have to go to control. In that you have wait 1 second block. This is very important to give a wait of 1 second between all of your commands. So I'm putting this block inside my forever loop so that whenever these commands will run, there will be a pause of 1 second so that the other loop will start to run all of these commands again. Now let's see the changes. You have remember that you have to stop it from the stop button because you put all of your commands in the forever loop. So the cat will keep on moving until you press this stop button. Now, one more thing was that the cat must have a speech bubble at the top where it's written meow. To do this, what you have to do, go to the looks. In the looks, it's written say hello block. So we can use this block, put it inside and change this hello text into meow, MEOW. So this is how we can add a speech bubble at the top of a sprite. Now this is all about today's program. I will just quickly play it in front of you. Let's make the screen bigger. And now look, okay. First I will put my cat here in the starting of the street, and then I will make it big from this icon. If you see the arrows, it's 4 arrows together. We will make it full screen from here. Now this green button will help my program to run. Let's start. Here we go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, you can comment below, and do not forget to practice the same program at home. Stay tuned, stay connected. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. Bye bye.